Whoa! The Samsung Galaxy S26 Pro is finally here, and it's an absolute game changer. Let's dive into what makes this phone the next big thing in 2025. Samsung didn't hold back. The S26 Pro features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display with adaptive 144Hz refresh rate and peak brightness up to 3000 nits. Translation: this screen looks insane, indoors or outdoors. Plus, it's thinner, lighter, and the titanium armor frame makes it feel premium and indestructible. The real shocker? The new 200-megapixel quad camera system with AI HyperZoom. Zoom in up to a 150x without losing clarity. Seriously, night photos? Crisp. Portraits? Cinematic. It's like carrying a DSLR in your pocket. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Pro with 16 gigabytes RAM. You're getting buttery smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and 4K editing. Add in satellite connectivity, AI Live Translate, and OneUI 7, and this phone isn't just smart, it's futuristic. And yes, the 5500 mAh battery now charges to 80% in just 20 minutes with super fast 80-watt charging. That's your coffee break charging your phone. The S26 Pro is here to set the new standard for Android phones in 2025. Are you upgrading? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech drops, and I'll catch you in the next one.